Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel to get important tech updates first. Your support means everything to us. If you want to order this product, check the first pinned comment. The purchase link is waiting for you there. This is a DIY 18650 power bank case from AliExpress, designed for people who love smart and powerful solutions. It supports 8 or 10 batteries, comes with dual USB output, and a modern Type-C port for fast and stable charging. Thousands of buyers have already reviewed this product, and most of them say it works great, charges safely, and feels reliable. People love it because it lets you build your own high-capacity power bank at a low cost. Thank you for watching, thank you for trusting us, and welcome to our growing tech family.